guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe, this is Indonesia style of goat and lamb biryani. It is obviously influenced by our neighbor, the Indians. Their descendants brought it to Indonesia, but I'm not sure if our biryani is the same, exactly the same as the biryani you can find in India. We don't make it as spicy or as strong as the one that you would get from Indian restaurant, and sometimes we prepare it separately from the rice, which is the way my family likes it. They don't like when we cook the rice together with while we are cooking the chicken or beef or the lamb or goat. So they cook it separately. So it's not really authentic, but it's Indonesia style. Normally in Indonesia it would be just goat, but here in Canada kind of hard to find goat meat, so most of the time we use lamb. However, yesterday we found frozen goat cubes, pieces, so we mix goat and lamb. Also in Indonesia we don't call it biryani, we call it Briyani, so the spelling is different. Some people do say biryani, but the majority will say biryani. So it's nasi biryani rice instead biryani rice. Anyways, again, just like my other or previous biryani recipes that I already shared, I never cook it together along with the rice. The rice is always separate, and this one is as well separate. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is 1 teaspoon of mustard seed with half tablespoon of cumin and 5 green cardamom pods. We gonna using our grinder, we're just gonna grind it. You can use electric grinder, it's up to you. Same to three star anise, grind it roughly. What I have here is half teaspoon of ground coriander, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of cayenne powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. And here is our star anise and the others. We're just gonna mix this until completely combined. And now we're gonna make a paste using ginger, onion, and garlic. And not forgetting about 7 cloves. Instead making paste out of ginger and onion, I'm just gonna add quarter teaspoon of ground ginger and also 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder. This is 4 garlic, 1 small onion, and quarter cup of water. We're just gonna turn it into paste. Now dump the paste here. Also yogurt, we're gonna add yogurt as well, and a half cup of plain Greek yogurt. I'm gonna mix this. And then we're gonna add in our goat and lamb. I have 1.5 kilogram lamb cubes, while the goats I have 1 kilogram. Mix and dump mixture onto your crock pot. Now just mix it until evenly coated. We're gonna top it with our chopped. My husband is doing monkey dance right in front of me. We're gonna top it with our chopped tomatoes, mint, cilantro, coriander, also fried onion and raisins. About quarter cup, about 1 heaping handful. For the coriander or cilantro, this is half of a package, while for the mint I just want the leaves. You can use the stalk as well if you want, or the branch if you want, but I don't want to. Just about a handful of mint leaves, while for the cilantro or coriander you can use the stalk as well, not just the leaves. This one come everywhere. And then also don't forget our sliced tomato. For the tomatoes, these are about 14 of grape tomatoes. You just want to half them. And then we're gonna cook this for 3 hours on high or 8 hours on low with lid. And again, cook it on low for 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours, or on high 2 for 3 hours. Now we're just gonna chop cilantro, dice the cucumber, and mix it with yogurt and spices to accompany the biryani. So again, this is Greek yogurt. I am not using measurements, so just a little bit of this and that, like salt, green cardamom, coriander, cinnamon. I put allspice, otherwise nutmeg, cloves, and black pepper as well, and just mix these. So this is how my boys serve it. And the next one is how my husband has his, because he likes using low carb rice.